Hey guys, I want to show the photo album for valuable memories. The album is stored in a box in the same shades and tones. Inside you might notice an envelope for storing photos and different notes. The photo album is made from Teresa Collins' collection called Memories. Its cover is a combination of two different fabrics. One of them is topped with glitter, the other has a flower print. For hardness and more security, I sewn the cover and spine through. In the front you can tell out letters, flowers, chipboards, die-cuts, stick-on gems, lace and other decor. I used ribbons to tie the front cover and the back. The sizes of this album are 8.5 inches by 10 inches, or approximately 22 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Inside the album you can fit over 65 photos. Each and every page is made from tendering moment that you captured. The whole album is made for 1 year, one page for 1 month. You can see swing tapes, magnetic closures, shakers and tags. I gave all of the pages personal amounts of time and effort to complete and decorate. I won't hold you no longer with commenting. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Keep putting the thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell to not miss out any new videos I post. See you next time. Bye!